Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add border to chart. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then select a chart and insert it. Then we want to add border to this chart. Click right button on our mouse and go to the format chart area. Then we can see the border option. Then choose solid line. Then select the border color. Now I select the red color and increase the white. Then close the window. And we can see here we added border to this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.